To survive in the African savanna, antelopes evolved incredible speed, reaching up to 90 kilometers per hour, 56 miles per hour. Their powerful legs allow them to sprint away from most predators, making them one of the fastest herbivores on Earth. Although lions are powerful hunters, they typically reach speeds of around 60 kilometers per hour, 37 miles per hour. Because they are slower than antelopes, lions rely on stealth and surprise attacks rather than chasing their prey over long distances. The cheetah evolved for one purpose: speed. With a top speed of up to 120 kilometers per hour, 75 miles per hour, it is the fastest land animal on Earth. On a straight sprint, a cheetah can quickly catch up to an antelope. Neither species gives up. Over millions of years, the constant competition between predator and prey has driven both antelopes and cheetahs to become faster, creating one of nature's greatest evolutionary rivalries.